Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix upside down screen or flipped screen on Windows 11. So if your computer screen is kept on changing the screen, if it's being in the upside down screen, then in this video I'll teach you how to fix it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let me just show you my on-screen keyboard so that you'd be able to know what keys are you going to press on. Okay, so let me just navigate here at the start icon, do a right click and go with my settings. Here at the settings, let me just proceed with accessibility. Okay, and let me just scroll down and go with keyboard, and let me just turn on my on-screen keyboard. Okay, once it's here, let me just close my settings window so that I can focus on this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the keys on what to press for so that you would be able to fix your problem, okay? So you need to press your built-in keyboard. Do not press your on do not use your on-screen keyboard. I'm just showing you the keys on what to press for to avoid any confusion and to avoid any mistakes that will happen, okay? So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to press Control Alt and the forward or upward key together so that you would be able to fix the problem. Okay? So the keys that you need to press are Control key beside Fn key, and then go with Alt key and go with this upward key to fix your problem. Okay? Again, do not use your on-screen keyboard. Use your physical or built-in keyboard. Okay? So to avoid any confusion, you need to use your physical keyboard or your built-in keyboard. In my case, I'm just showing you my on-screen so that you would be able to, you would be able to avoid and making any mistakes. You might press a wrong key, okay? So that might be, that might worsen your problem, okay? So again, press Control Alt and upward key together, and that will fix the problem, okay? Simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.